Hey guys, this is Justin from Steer Smarts, and today we have a new JL Rubicon that was brought to us with some Deathwobble. Right now what we've done is we've taken off the stock stabilizer, and we're going to go out and do a couple test drives and see if we can induce some Deathwobble, come back and try to isolate some issues and hopefully have a nice fix for everybody.
Oh geez, there it is. Wow. Wow. Well, that was aggressive as shit. Holy crap. Huh.
Lovely.
Wow.
Threw me into the other lane.
Yeah.
We've successfully made it about, I don't know,
Very little
half a mile from the shop. Our first
near death scenario.
Our first bump that we hit, we unfortunately had some pretty serious death wobble there. Kicked me into the other lane. So
Let's see what happens.
I unfortunately am going to suspect that we're gonna have quite the drive here. We might have to just not go all the way.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, because that was pretty crazy already.
Yeah.
I mean, shit.
We were going about 35 miles an hour. Nothing too crazy in the speed department, but our first bump on the left side of the vehicle, it threw it into some pretty
there it is again.
violent.
I say we just go back with it, man. We got
violent shimmies.
Jeez, oh Pete's, man.
So
yeah, let's just turn around at this Marathon Mobile. There's no point in risking our lives to make it over to the dealership.
So in respect for Harry,
Harry's vehicle and our lives.
Harry's vehicle here, we're gonna cut our trip short. These are stock linkages.
No stabilizer.
No stabilizer with a Mopar 2-inch lift. And what we're gonna do is we are gonna turn around, save ourselves the embarrassment of trying to drive during rush hour. We're gonna swap out the stock track bar for the Steer Smarts track bar, which is a solid 2-inch forging. And then after that, we will put on the Yeti XD tie rod as well as the drag link.
So what are we doing, Justin?
We just finished installing all of our linkages and we're going for a test drive.
Where are we going?
We're gonna go to the same place that we encountered our first Deathwobble incident, which is just down the street here, about a half a mile. We're almost here. So we're in Plymouth, Michigan, and the roads are not the greatest. A lot of construction, weather sucks, and it's just Michigan. It's just kind of a thing. Just deal with it. But so far everything seems to be pretty smooth. Noticeable difference in the steering feel. It's much tighter. So
And even right there,
first kind of small bump. Really not much, even still without the stabilizer. So we've got everything here pretty much centered with the toe. Maybe like 1/8 of an inch, which is probably like 1/4 of a degree, if that, towed out just a slight hair, but we try to get it as close to center as possible kind of for this demonstration. So far we've
already passed the Deathwobble zone.
Past where we went before there. That's pretty much exactly, that was hands off the wheel. pretty effortless. Honestly, it's actually pretty amazing. Single hand on the wheel going downhill. I've actually probably got about 10 mile an hour faster through that section than we did before. So we're gonna turn right here and kind of go through the same exact spot that we did before. It's not really much reference, I understand, on the camera, but for traveling's sake, we've probably gone half of a mile and 2 3/4 of a mile here. So I'll try to kind of hit bump. There's a bump.
It did it again here last time too.
Yep. So we're doing about 40 miles an hour. Steering wheel is pretty centered. We could make probably just a real fine adjustment, but it's pretty good right off the bat without any electronics or anything. So we're kind of gonna go through a small section here. Still nothing. No hands on the wheel. Pretty straight.
Section of road here is pretty atrocious.
So again, nothing on the wheel at all, man. That's And again, this vehicle has no stabilizer on it. All we've done is put our track bar, drag link
with attenuator.
Yes, with attenuator and tie rod. Pretty straightforward. Nothing crazy. No fancy install tricks, everything straight out of the box, put it on the Jeep. The only thing that this Jeep has different from the factory is a 2-inch lift and I believe Fox shocks.
Well, the Mopar shock.
The Mopar shocks?
The Mopar 2-inch lift.
Okay, so the Mopar 2-inch lift. As you can see from the footage, after the install of our Steer Smarts parts, there's an undeniable difference of the quality of ride in the Jeep. After we brought the Jeep back in, we reinstalled the stock stabilizer with our relocation bracket, returned the Jeep to the customer, and he was blown away by the difference. If you haven't already, give us a like on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. We've got some great videos for you guys in the future. See you soon.